Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is uh, when was the last time you listened to the sound of your own breathing? When was the last time you listened to the sound of your own breathing? The last time I listened to the sound of my own breathing. When we talk about listening to the sound of own breathing, what we mean is that are we present in the moment? Whatever we do in the fast-paced world, we are always doing something, thinking something. So we are not ready to be present. We are not. If you're running, you are just thinking about something. If you're going to office, you are thinking about something else. When you're in office, you are thinking about some personal things, and that leads to uh, mul multiple problems which might not be visible to you. Uh, so, if I talk about where I listened to my own breathing last time, so I don't remember the time, but time to time I just try to be present, and it's a constant effort. It's not something, uh, in this today's distraction-full world comes very easily. You will be amazed to know that sometimes it happens when you are thinking something and you just take out mobile from your pocket or and just open it and just start browsing something thing while you were doing something else. So this example which will make it very clear that many times we are not present. Maybe it is the fact that most people are not present in most of the time. So just try to be that I also try to do that deliberately. When I'm doing something, I try to be in present. Try to once you do that, it will work wonders for you. You will be focused more in things as well. Uh, and why this is important? It is important for your own happiness and doing some meaningful work. That is why it's important. So one message that you should take away from this, that try to take deliberate effort to being present. Try to find activities and try to force yourself being present. And one thing that can help you is try meditation. But most often it's very hard to try not meditation. So just try to be present and try to be mindful of that. Thank you. Over to you.